Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing this fall slash Thanksgiving look right here. So if you guys are interested in this look, then keep on watching. So I already had and primed and moisturized my face. Now I'm moving on to foundation, and the foundation I'm using is the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Warm Beige. For concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Multi Sculpting Coverage in the shade Warm Beige. For powder, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed powder in the shade Golden. To contour, I'm using this Seal Helted contour palette from the Makeupshack, and I'm using this color right here, this dark brown color. It's called Buff. To bake, I'm using mybeautymarkmakeupacademy translucent powder, and I believe this is in the shade number 1. So right here I am just contouring my nose. I really don't do this very often, but today I decided to just do it. And by the way, I really suck at contouring my nose. Like, I don't know if I'm doing this right. Moving on to eyes, I am using the ABH Soft Glam palette in the shade Burnt Orange, and I'm just placing that all over the crease. So next I am taking the shade Sienna and just placing that on top of the burnt orange shade and just blending those two out. So once I already cut my crease, I am moving on to just taking this dark brown color. I believe it's in the shade Umber, and I'm just packing that onto the outer corners. So next I'm taking this gold shimmer in this shade Bronze, and I am just packing that all over the lids. So I'm taking this liquid liner and just making a line, but this was hard to do, so I'm just gonna do this off camera. So next I'm taking this like black eyeshadow and just packing that onto that black liner and then out of the outer corners. For liner, I am going to be using this liquid glitter liner from Urban Decay, and it's in the shade Goldmine. For lipstick, I am using this lip pencil from Italia Deluxe in the shade Natural Beige. For lipsticks, I am using the Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipstick in the shade Cool Girl. For highlight, I'm using the ABH X Emery highlighter, and for this part I forgot to highlight the brow bone and the inner corners. And if you guys are wondering why don't I wear blush, it's because I really don't like blush that much on me. I don't know, for some reason I don't like it. So this is gonna be the finished look right here. I hope you guys really liked it, and let me know what other looks you guys want me to do, either like Thanksgiving looks or just like moving on to Christmas looks. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time on my next video.